Recording. All right, let me make sure you can see the other court. Is it ever necessary to walk that close to somebody just to get to your destination? I'm just so confused.
Niggas live. Niggas don't win live. Oh, yeah. Niggas don't win live. Oh, this is somebody iPad? Right. Yeah, I was looking. Yeah, I'm looking at this. Right, I'm over there looking. I ain't touch you. I moved out the way. All I had was the ball. I'm looking at this and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Somebody went live. Yeah, that shit was low. Yeah, that shit was low. I'm seeing shit moving. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, you saying picture?
I'm mad rusty, but it's mad people up here and they playing kickball. So we about to watch them play some kickball. My shot was off. My shot was really off. I'm really not even trying to walk in between nobody's game because that's rude. You know, don't nobody. Actually, I can walk behind them and out of the way. Yeah, I'd rather do that. But they really having fun. She got a whole bag on her head. Look at this shit. She got the whole bag on her head. Sis is not playing. I do not blame her. Oh, am I gonna catch it? Oh, he got his ass out of here.
Be careful.
Run! That's safe. Fucking cheating. Oh no, she was safe. She was safe.
What she said?
I don't know.
That's true.
She was safe. She was safe. She wasn't no motherfucking safe.
It was like the same time, so I think that's
Who next?
all right. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye, guys. Thank you. So, I decided to join in the game. I'm walking back home, and I'm like, why not? Why not? They kind of laughed at me a little bit because I know really ain't nobody out here in Rochester, not that I know, that's publicly vlogging, and I'm using my iPad, you know. So I had to go back, shoot my shot. I don't even know what the footage looked like. I probably look stupid as hell. Look what kind of shoes I got on. I have on cloth Hirachis. It's okay. I enjoyed myself. Today was a good day. See, I'm happy about this little self-love thing I'm trying to do. I stepped outside my box, which it really wasn't stepping outside my box. This is normally shit Asia would do, but you know, we about to get it done. Wait a second. There's people right there and I still kind of feel weird recording in public. But like, I didn't know how today was gonna go. I just made a conscious decision that yesterday, I filmed a video about self-love and everything yesterday, and I'm most likely not gonna post it. I'm most likely, like, I really honestly recorded the video for myself, because me recording myself and me being able to like look back and reflect, you know, for one, it's starting to give me the confidence, because if I'm recording in public, I can't look like I'm scared to do this shit. If I'm trying to be about YouTube, I need to be about my shit, and I don't take care less what anybody thinks or what it looks like, you know? So today, oh, it's a lot, bro. I got shit in there. Okay, let's see. It's gonna piss me off. But I more than likely record this stuff, and I'm starting, like I said before in many videos, and I'm gonna keep reiterating it. Like, I'm starting this YouTube shit most for me, for me, for my own personal growth. There's a lot of shit that I need to work on that I don't get to see myself and how I look. Oh, it's open. Look at God. Look at God. Yo, shout out to these apartments, because there be certain dryers that be broke. Like, this one was the first one, and now this one is, we're like, you don't even gotta put money in the motherfuckers, and they will keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going. So I'm just gonna let them dry a little bit more. I need to learn how to fall in love with Asia again. So by me doing this, I'm looking at myself, I'm seeing what I don't like, I'm seeing certain shit that people say, like, oh, I might overreact in this situation, I might do this too much, I might do this. So I record as much as I possibly can, so I can go back and watch it like, damn, okay. And I'm learning to love myself. I'm learning to love my flaws. That's the best way I could possibly say it. I'm learning to love my flaws, you know? So I'm not gonna say I'm perfect at it. Today has just been a really good day for me. And the self-love video I would have posted yesterday would have just been so opposite of what I'm trying to say, and you know, the impression I'm giving now, you know? So I'm doing this for me, okay? And these people were just laughing at me at the park when I was like, if I'm gonna play, can you record it? And they're like, bro, for what? You on live? No, this is for YouTube. They like, YouTube? You gonna see in 2 years. And YouTube, you gonna see in 2 years while I'm doing it now, but hey. A little bit, because I accidentally combed my hair into this and slept on it, and I woke up and it's giving me a little shade. And usually second day hair wash and goes don't look cute on me, so I'm just excited what's gonna look like tomorrow, bitch. What you gonna look like tomorrow, bitch? What you gonna look like tomorrow, bitch? What you gonna look like tomorrow, bitch? What you gonna look like? Before I show y'all my hair, right, let's take a moment and pause, because I really was just feeling myself a little bit too hard in the last clip. So that's why my camera died. So I didn't get to vlog the rest of the day. But I was too excited about how my third day hair would look, right? And this is exactly what I get. Y'all ready? I'm talking about what's gonna look like tomorrow, bitch. A hot ass mess. Okay. Yeah.